Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and today I get asked a question a lot of times: what is the emergency heat on the thermostat? A lot of people get it confused. They think it's going to give you extra heat when it gets really cold outside and your heat pump feels like it's blowing cool air. But what it does is actually it just takes your outdoor unit out of the circuit. So here's a Honeywell Pro 3000, and you can see here you have auto on your fan, cool, off, heat, emergency heat. Okay, what if you look at the thermostat now, it's on heat, 72 degrees in here, set on 75. So you see auxiliary heat's on. Okay, now what that's meaning is your auxiliary heat is running until your thermostat gets within 1.5 degrees of this setting, of the set point, which was 75 here. Then if it gets to 74, then the auxiliary heat will go off, and then your heat pump just maintains it. But if you got a problem with your heat pump, what you need to do is you call your technician, or you look out and you got a big ball of ice out there and it's not defrosting, you switch your thermostat to emergency heat. Right, what emergency heat? It's a time delay before everything comes on. There you go, emergency heat on. Right, what that just did was took your heat pump outside out of the circuit. So your first stage heat now is going to be your auxiliary heat. Your heat pump would never come on. So if you walk by and say it's cold, let me turn it to emergency heat and get some extra heat, you're actually losing heat. You're not having your heat pump contribute anything at all. So if you ever come by and you see auxiliary heat, see emergency heat on your thermostat, or you see a light on your thermostat, sometimes there's a red light that says emergency heat. And a lot of times people will turn it on and just say, I want some hot air, and it will give you your electric strip heat and not your heat pump, but it's costing you a lot of money. So if you ever see the emergency heat light on or the signal on for emergency heat, find out why it's on, and you may need to turn it back to regular heat because somebody just got it confused. So you never want to take and turn it to emergency heat unless your technician tells you to, or you know enough to do it on your own. So if you like our channel, subscribe, like our video. Okay, if you have any questions, you can email us at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com. Thank you.